Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to reveal to you how you can expand strokes for your elements on Affinity Designer in 2026. So let us get started. So to expand the stroke of a shape, let's say for example navigate to your design and navigate to the vector tool to insert, let's say, a rectangle using the rectangle tool. So let me draw one. So what you want to do next is, let me just make the fill color transparent and only leave the stroke, right? The stroke is here, so you can choose a color and then also expand the stroke width here so that it is more visible, like that. So you can play around with this, change the stroke width, the stroke style here. But what we want to do next, guys, is expand the stroke, because if let's for instance zoom in, as you can see, you can't really expand it. You will first need to do the following. So what you want to do is right click into your object, select expand stroke, and now as you can see, guys, that a line here in the middle or in the center has disappeared. And now you can switch to the node tool here on the left hand side. You may also use the shortcut A for that, and that is going to give you the opportunity to play with these nodes here, right? For example, to change the appearance and the shape of that stroke, to make it look like this, for example. That's how you expand the stroke for objects and elements on Affinity Designer. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.